What should I have for dinner? This is daily struggle. Some recipes are too complicated and time-consuming, while others are just too expensive. Yet, eating the same old thing over and over gets old fast. After a while, egg-based dishes make me sick at the very smell, and this is why I show you this recipe: ground beef noodles. Mastering this recipe will make your meal much more satisfying for a long time to come. You only need 6 simple ingredients: pasta 1 serving, green onion a half stalk, slice it about 0.5 cm thick. This prevents it from burning too easily. Ground beef 200 grams, sauce, soy sauce 3 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, wine 2 tablespoons. Optional, you can add garlic if you like. Slice the green onions, keeping a bit of thickness to prevent burning. Mix the soy sauce, sugar, and wine in a small bowl. Cooking a pasta. Boil your pasta for 9 minutes and drain. It's totally fine if the noodles cool down while you prep the rest. If you are using thicker noodles, adding salt to the boiling water is a good idea. Otherwise, you can skip it. Heat the oil in the pan. Add the green onions and let them fry for about 2 minutes. Most recipes tell you to cook the meat first, but putting the green onions first easily unlocks the rich and aromatic flavor. 3. Brown and beef. Add the ground beef. Stir fry over heat to keep it tender and protect the green onion from burning. Keep cooking until all the moisture evaporates and the meat browns nicely. This takes about 3 minutes. You can pat the beef dry with a paper towel to speed this up, but it really makes no difference in taste. Just let it cook down in the pan. Pour in the sauce when the meat is about to brown. Combine. Toss in the cooked pasta and keep cooking until almost all the liquid has evaporated. The sauce needs to fully coat the noodles. Do not skip this step. It is delicious, satisfying, and filling. Even with just 1 serving of pasta, I often find myself full before I can even finish the bowl. The soy, sugar, wine ratio is perfect base that pairs well with almost anything. You can experiment with fish sauce and citron preserve, lemon juice, or white vinegar, but a simple bottle of cooking wine works wonders for a balanced flavor. As for soy sauce, I personally use yondu, a vegetable essence, because it saves me from having to add extra seasoning. It might cost a little more, but the depth of flavor is well worth it. Then wait for about 1 minute.